Neither do I. It's been so long, my love.
Next on Dallas.
Nichts.
What did she say?
Flowers free of charge. Because we look like such a happy couple.
What about Callie?
A man can appreciate an old flame without flying in and getting burned up.
I want you to talk Bobby out of this deal.
You're asking an awful lot.
Oh my goodness!
I want one last night of love with you, J.R.